Every year in the USA, millions of people get into car accidents. But here's the shocking part. Most people lose thousands of dollars, not because of the accident itself, but because of the 5 deadly mistakes they make after the crash. If you drive in the USA, you cannot afford to miss this. Imagine this. You get hit by another driver, you're injured, your car is damaged, and suddenly the insurance company is pressuring you to sign papers. You think you're doing the right thing, but one wrong move, and you just gave up your legal rights and your money. That's how people lose everything. After an accident, your heart is racing. Most people say things like, "I'm sorry, it was my fault." But here's the truth. Even if you think you caused the accident, never admit fault on the spot. In the USA, liability is decided based on evidence, police reports, witness statements, traffic laws. If you admit fault early, it can be used against you, even if later investigation shows you weren't fully responsible. Correct action. Stay calm. Exchange information. Wait for the official report. Simply say, "Let's wait for the police to file a report." Some drivers think it's just a minor fender bender. No need to involve the police. Big mistake. Without a police report, you may have no proof of what happened. And insurance companies love this. They'll use it to deny or reduce your claim. Correct action. Always call 911 and report the accident. Even for small crashes, having an official police record protects you legally and financially. One of the worst mistakes: skipping medical treatment because you feel fine. Many injuries like whiplash, spinal damage, or internal bleeding don't show symptoms right away. Days later, when the pain kicks in, insurance companies argue, "If you were really injured, why didn't you see a doctor immediately?" And they'll refuse to pay. Correct action. Always get checked by a doctor after any accident, even if you feel okay. Medical records are proof of injury. This one costs people the most money. The other driver's insurance company will call you quickly. They sound friendly, but remember this: their job is to save money for the company, not for you. They will record your words and twist them to reduce or deny your claim. And once you sign a settlement, you cannot fight back. Correct action. Never give recorded statements without legal advice. Consult a personal injury lawyer first. A lawyer ensures you don't get tricked into signing away your rights. Right after the accident, insurance companies often offer a quick check. It feels like relief in the moment, but here's the trap. Once you accept that settlement, you cannot ask for more money later. What if your medical bills keep growing? What if you can't work for months? You'll be stuck with the costs. Correct action. Do not settle until you understand the full extent of your injuries, damages, and future costs. Patience here can save you tens of thousands of dollars. These 5 mistakes ruin lives every single day in the USA. Don't let it happen to you. Remember, never admit fault. Always call the police. Seek medical help. Don't let insurance trick you, and never settle too fast. If you avoid these mistakes, you protect not only your rights, but also your financial future. Stay safe, stay informed, and if this video helped you, share it with someone you care about. Because the truth is, one day, this advice could save them thousands. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not provide legal advice. Laws may vary by state. For legal advice about your situation, always consult a licensed attorney in your state.